Hello everyone, this is Juhi Bhardwaj. Welcome all of you to my channel Vibe with Juhi. I'm a tarot card reader, numerologist, Vastu expert and a crystal healer. And this channel is all about Vastu remedies, numerology, spirituality and some crystal healing tips. So if you all are interested, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever my further video is released. So let's get started and let's move on towards our today's video. So in today's video, I'll be talking about 7 chakras crystal tree. First, I'll be explaining you the benefits of this tree, that how can you gain the maximum benefits out of this tree, out of this wonderful tree. And after the benefits, I'll move on towards its placement in your home. That what are the directions where you can place this tree in your home. The right locations, you can say. So I'll show you that how this crystal tree looks like because I have this tree with me today. Just wait for a few seconds. So this is a 7 chakras crystal tree that you can see right here. I hope the picture of this tree is pretty much clear in the video. So this is a 7 chakras crystal tree. This is a very beautiful tree. It's very elegant. So as you can see that there are 7 types of crystals that is there in this tree. And each and every crystal that's there in this tree is associated with each and every chakra that is there in our body. Since we all know that there are total 7 types of chakras that is there in a human body. And these chakras are the main energy centers from where we get the energy, the motivation, inspiration and the confidence to work upon our goals, to work upon our ideas and to become the better version of our own self. And that's the reason it is very much important to balance all the 7 chakras that is there in our body in order to live a healthier and a more peaceful life. So if you want to live your life in a healthier and a peaceful manner, if you want to maintain positivity, balance, peace and harmony in your home and in your life, then you should place this tree in right directions in your home. You can place this tree in the weakest area that is there in your life. For example, if you want to bring educational luck into your life, let's say you are a student, you are in school or you are in college, and especially if you are in 10th standard or you are in 12th standard and you are preparing for your board exams, then you can place this tree in the northeast sector of your home. Because if you think that you are lacking focus in your life, you are not able to focus on your studies and you are getting diverted on many things on account of many reasons. There are a lot of blockages coming in your educational life. You are not able to study. You are not able to give time to your studies. Then you can place this tree in the northeast sector of your home. This will work on your brain cells and this will sharpen your memory. It will boost your memory. The purple color crystal that you can see right here, this is amethyst. This works on a third eye chakra as well. So it will help you in concentrating more on your studies. And let's say that you are into some kind of job, but apart from this, you are preparing for any type of competitive exam, or you are preparing for any professional course, any higher degree course, and you're not able to focus on your studies on account of your job or your business, then also you can place this tree in the northeast sector of your home. This will help you in concentrating more on your studies and this will help you with memorizing. It will sharpen your memorizing skills. Now after the northeast direction, I'll move on towards the east direction, that why you should place this tree in the east sector of your home. See, if there are a lot of stress and anxiety related issues in your life, if your mental health, your emotional health or your physical health is not in a proper state, is not in a balanced state, then also you can place this tree in the east sector of your home. Let's say you have a sleep disorder, you don't get proper sound sleep, then you can place this tree in the east sector of your home. Then placing this in the east sector will bring mental stability in your life and a lot of mental peace as well. And if you feel low and depressed all the times, no matter how the things are in your life, even if everything is good in your life, in your personal life, in your professional life, even then you don't feel happy, you don't feel cheerful, then you can place this tree in the east sector. This will bring joy, happiness and harmony in your life. And if you have any other physical health issues, let's say you have thyroid or you have any kind of stomach related problems, you have bladder problems, kidney problems, or you have arthritis, then also you can place this tree in the east sector of your home. So in short, this tree will heal your mental health, emotional health, and your physical health too. Now let's say your health is in a perfect state, your education is also fine, but there are a lot of liquidity issues. Let's say there are a lot of liquidity crunch in your life. You are facing a lot of financial problems currently in your life, and you are into some kind of job, but you are not getting your salary or your paycheck on time. Then you can place this tree in the southeast sector of your home, because this sector brings wealth, luck into your life. This sector looks at all the cash issues, all the cash problems. And let's say that if you are not into any kind of job, or you are into any kind of business, and you have made good amount of investments in your business, but you think that in future you won't be able to get any good outcome or profits in your business, or your money will be stuck forever in that investment wherever you have done, then also you can place this tree in the southeast sector. This will clear away all the money blockages that are there in your life right now, that are there in your business. Then after the southeast sector, you can also place this tree in the southwest sector of your home, because this sector will bring love and romantic luck into your life. And if you are facing a lot of problems in your personal life, in your relationships, or in your married life, there are a lot of unnecessary fights, arguments, conflicts, or a lot of miscommunication or misunderstandings happening between you and your partner, then you can place this tree in the southwest sector of your home, because this tree will do wonders for your married life or your relationships. This will heal all the issues, all the conflicts that are going on between you and your partner currently. And even if you are not married, or you are not into any kind of relationship, you are single, and you want to attract your true romantic partner, your soulmate, then also you can place this tree in the southwest sector. This will help you in attracting a true love into your life, your true romantic partner. So that's the reason this tree has got multiple benefits. Now comes the last direction where you can place this tree, the northwest direction. Let's say you have applied for loan for past very long period of time, for past many months or past 2 years, you have applied for a big loan, but you're not getting loan. You're not getting any kind of financial help from anybody from outside. Then you can place this tree in the northwest direction of your home. But by placing this in the northwest direction will bring luck from helpful people in your life. Out of the blue, suddenly you'll get some sort of financial support from banks or any other financial institution. So you can place this tree in the northwest direction of your home. This will bring helpful people into your life. People will come towards you and will really help you financially. This is a sector of financial support as well, the northwest direction. So if you want to attract luck from helpful people, then you can place this tree in the northwest direction of your home. So I've explained you all the benefits and the directions where you can place this tree in your home, and I hope you like this video and you'll try to keep this tree in your home. So if you like this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. Also, if you would like to have an in-detail reading with respect to numerology, Vastu remedies or tarot card reading, or if you'd like to place an order for this particular crystal tree or any other crystal that you have drawn to, then you can definitely contact me through my email ID, or you can also DM me on my Instagram account. I have mentioned the links in my description box below, so you can just go and check it out there. Thank you so much for watching my video.